Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of upcycle old furniture and discarded pieces into high-value artistic decor ideas. Furniture flipping has become one of the most inspiring and accessible creative ventures of the modern era, not only because it invites people to reimagine beauty in discarded objects, but because it opens the door to real income, genuine artistry, and a business model built on sustainability and personal expression. To upcycle discarded furniture into high-value artistic decor is to participate in a transformative process, one where the past finds new purpose, craftsmanship meets vision, and what once seemed worn out or forgotten becomes a centerpiece in a contemporary home. At its heart, furniture flipping is not just about restoring old pieces, it is about elevating them into something extraordinary, something that carries soul, character, and the unmistakable signature of your creativity. And within this process lies the possibility of substantial profit, all while reducing waste and fueling a movement toward more conscious living. The power of furniture flipping begins with the simple act of seeing potential where others see clutter. Every old chair, battered dresser, or outdated coffee table holds the bones of something beautiful: solid wood, vintage craftsmanship, or architectural curves that can't be replicated by mass-produced items. These forgotten treasures, often found on curbsides, in thrift stores, or left behind in storage rooms, offer an incredible opportunity for anyone willing to put in a little imagination and hands-on effort. The cost of acquiring them is often low, sometimes even free, which instantly creates a high profit margin once you transform them into a must-have decor piece. But the real magic happens in how you choose to interpret each piece, what story you want it to tell, how you want it to function, and what style you want it to reflect. Upcycling discarded furniture taps into the growing desire for unique, handcrafted items that carry meaning. Modern homeowners no longer want cookie-cutter decor that looks identical to mass-produced catalog displays. They want personality, authenticity, and artistry. They want pieces with a past, items that feel lived in, storied, and lovingly transformed. By flipping furniture, you provide what the market deeply craves: design with heart, beauty with sustainability, and style with history. This emotional resonance is what allows recycled decor to sell for premium prices, making furniture flipping not just an artistic pursuit, but a genuinely lucrative one. The transformation process itself becomes a journey of creativity. When you start with a discarded item, you're free from the pressure of perfection. The piece can only improve from where it is. This freedom encourages experimentation. You can try bold colors, textured finishes, intricate stenciling, or multi-layered painting techniques that bring out stunning character. A vintage dresser might be reborn with a modern matte black finish and brass hardware, turning it into an elegant statement piece perfect for luxury homes. A scratched dining table can be refinished with a rustic stain, revealing natural grain patterns that feel warm and earthy. Even a simple wooden chair, once considered useless, can be revived with woven seating, new upholstery, or artistic paintwork. In every flip, you are both designer and storyteller, shaping the identity of the piece while rediscovering your creative confidence. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Beyond the artistic side, furniture flipping also teaches the fundamentals of craftsmanship and problem solving. You begin to understand how it behaves, how paint adheres, how to sand effectively, and how to repair joints or replace hardware. These skills become assets that compound over time, allowing you to take on more ambitious projects and expand your portfolio. Each flip sharpens your eye, improves your technique, and increases the value of your work. With every transformed item, you build credibility, not just as someone who refurbishes furniture, but as a creator with a distinctive style and a commitment to quality. The profitability of flipping furniture lies not only in the low cost of materials, but in the emotional and aesthetic value added through your craftsmanship. A $10 side table from a flea market can be sold for $80, $120, or even more with the right design approach. A free curbside dresser can be turned into a $300 showstopper simply by refinishing, updating hardware, and adding a modern twist. The market for handcrafted decor is growing rapidly, fueled by homeowners who prioritize sustainability, artistic expression, and one-of-a-kind pieces. When you learn to photograph your items beautifully, write compelling descriptions, and present your pieces as functional art, your flipped furniture becomes irresistible. This creative business also offers flexibility and personal fulfillment. You can start small, working from your garage, patio, or spare room, using basic tools and paints that don't cost much. Over time, as your skills, confidence, and reputation grow, your workspace and income can expand too. Some people turn furniture flipping into a thriving full-time business, while others use it as a supplemental income stream that brings joy, relaxation, and artistic purpose. The beauty of this craft is that it adapts to your lifestyle. You decide how deeply you want to dive in, how many pieces you want to flip per month, and what kind of designs you want to be known for. What makes this business especially powerful is the connection it creates between you, your work, your customers, and the environment. Every piece you rescue from the trash becomes an act of sustainability, a stand against unnecessary waste, and a contribution to a more conscious design culture. Customers feel good knowing they are purchasing decor that has been revived with care rather than manufactured with wasteful processes. You feel good knowing your creativity serves a purpose greater than profit. The planet benefits from fewer discarded items piling up in landfills. In this way, furniture flipping becomes a circle of impact, where beauty and responsibility coexist harmoniously. Marketing your flipped furniture can be as creative as the transformation itself. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, Instagram, and local craft fairs allow you to showcase your work to people who appreciate handcrafted artistry. High-quality before and after photos create immediate visual impact, proving the value of your skills. Storytelling, explaining where the piece came from, what inspired the new design, and how you transformed it, adds emotional weight and increases buyer interest. When customers feel connected not only to the piece, but also to your creative journey, they are willing to pay more because they're not just buying furniture, they're buying meaning. Furniture flipping is also an evolving art form that keeps you inspired. Each piece presents a new challenge, a new opportunity to innovate, and a new way to express your style. You may find yourself gravitating towards certain themes: modern farmhouse, boho chic, rustic industrial, minimalist luxury, or colorful vintage revival. Over time, your unique aesthetic becomes your signature, attracting customers who specifically seek your creations. This authenticity becomes one of your biggest business strengths, setting you apart in a world filled with mass-produced decor. To upcycle discarded furniture into high-value artistic decor is to embrace a life where creativity becomes currency, sustainability becomes style, and forgotten objects are given a chance to shine again. It's a journey filled with transformation, not just for the pieces you flip, but for you as the creator. You learn patience, skill, vision, and the confidence to see beauty where others see waste. You discover the potential to earn, to inspire, and to contribute to a more meaningful and beautiful world. And with each piece you bring back to life, you build not only a profitable business, but a legacy of artistry, renewal, and conscious design. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked repurposed wood design ideas by crafting minimalist furniture decor plans from discarded materials. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.